Hi, today we're gonna do the gallery wall, which I'm really excited about because it's taken me a while to gather all of the materials that I need. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of my own personality in it by mixing a bunch of old frames with a bunch of new ones. I love photos, so I want to put a bunch of family photos, friend photos that me and Nathaniel picked out. The first one is me and Nathaniel. Aren't we so cute? This is obviously gonna be on the wall because people need to know that I have a boyfriend. That part is really important to me. So this is a photo that I found at a thrift store that I thought would be fun to put up. It has a message on the back. I will read it to you now. Purchased especially for Doug and Krista along the Seine River in Paris, France. An original acrylic of the famous Eiffel Tower and Parisian streets. Blessings for a wonderful marriage. Love, Granny. So I don't know how their marriage did, but I'm happy that I got to have this cute little painting. The crown glory of the frame collection. This beautiful frame. We got this at a Restore, which is like the Habitats for Humanity thrift store, sort of. But look at it, it's beautiful. I don't know if I care too much for the actual painting. It's by this guy, we looked it up. I think it's worth like $100. So if anyone wants to buy this, let me know, because I'll sell it to you. And now for the fun part, we're gonna pick out the pictures we wanna go in the frames. Well, we should put Emma in. This is Emma. This is Barker's niece. Are we allowed to show her? These could be blurred photos, but if not, this is Emma. Look at how pretty she is. I think we're gonna go with this one because it's got the most pizzazz, it's got the most character. I definitely relate to her in this photo. Ah, perfect. No. Okay, my turn. I get to pick a picture now. This is so hard for me. I'm torn. I'm torn between these two. So this is me and all my siblings. Then this picture of me and my brother looking like punks. Do we look like we're about to come and beat you up? Because that's the vibe I'm getting from this one. Ooh, I don't know. Can I put 2 in 1?
Definitely the grumpy one.
The grumpy? Yeah, you're right. You're right, obviously. I tasked Barker with printing out a family photo and he did not disappoint. This one, I feel like I'm gonna say no. I have no idea. It doesn't even look, it looks like your head's a popsicle. Why does it look like that?
Ninja.
Which one do you like better? They're both wonderful. They both emit different energies.
Use that one.
This one. I feel like I should do one of my friends now. I just have so many. It's hard. I really like this photo of me and Caitlin. Caitlin and I met in college, but she moved to Banff so that she could go be an artist and a filmmaker and do really cool things in a really pretty place. And then one day I decided, well, I didn't decide. I basically went to Alberta with my mom. And then I texted her that day and I was like, I'm here. And then we went out for dinner and then I took this photo. Well, I didn't take this photo, but this is a photo of us. Let's see, let's see. This is me and my mom. Oh, it looks like she was brushing my hair. Isn't she so pretty? My mom's the prettiest person in the whole world. Well, this one's kind of fun. Yeah, okay, I'll do this one. I don't know what to put in this. Let's put my painting
I have my
in.
beer diploma. Got my beer diploma.
Maybe.
So you get 6 photos.
No. Barker wants to put his beer award in here, so pass it over. This is David Attenborough. He lives in the bathroom right now. I tried to hide the beer award behind him, but obviously that didn't work. It's like, you know, in those like National Treasure movies or something. It's like, wait, there's something behind here. It's a beer diploma. Ooh.
That's German.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, people are gonna come in, they're gonna be like, is that like your college diploma? Is that like some sort of honors? Yes, it is an honor. I got all this bubblegum pink Bristol board. So we're gonna cut out all of the shapes of the frames and then figure out where we want it to go on the wall. And then we're gonna put the nails in where the nails are supposed to go. And then we will have a gallery wall. I'm so excited. Oh, mon Dieu. Thank you. So I'm just gonna do some outlining right now. I'm sorry. I clearly did not get enough Bristol board, but that is all right. La pièce de résistance. I'm just gonna start putting things and hopefully we like where they go. Okay.
Holy smokes.
It's so cute. I think everyone should have a gallery wall in their house because they're super simple to do and they're really easy to plan out, so you can make it look really elegant, stylish, or really homey if you want. Depends on how you like lay out the photos or paintings. I've also seen different gallery walls that are more avant-garde. Like some of them are just blank frames within frames, so you could do like whatever you want with them. And as you can see from the video, I didn't struggle that much. Sometimes picture frames fell as I was hammering, but you know what? If that's the worst thing that happens this episode, that's really not that bad. I like how the gallery wall turned out. I think it's cute. I do not think it's done because there's still a big painting of some random pathway. And I still need to paint Marcus, who, if you don't know who Marcus is, here's a clip of him. This is Marcus. He's the smelliest thing you'll ever see. I'm really happy with it, but it's not done. So I'm excited to see what it will look like when all the finished pieces come together. Next episode is gonna be great. We're gonna be focusing on the bedroom. I'm gonna be doing a DIY headboard and...
Where are my clamps?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. It goes well, I think. It's definitely the hardest project I've done. Before you go, make sure to subscribe below, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.